Hi again, everyone. This will be the second and shorter part of our syllabus video. But where we left off, we were just talking about grades. So your grades will be a final weighted percent across the different categories above. And once I do the weighting, then it's a pretty straightforward grade system. But it's not as simple as just adding up your grades in Canvas and then computing a percentage, because like we said, each category is worth in total a certain percent. If you have questions about your grade, of course, let me know. Accessibility, as I mentioned, please contact me. I've tried to make this course accessible to all students. If you encounter a problem accessing anything, just contact me and I will do my best to fix the problem as soon as I can. Also, if you are a student with any kind of special accommodations that you need, please email me right away and I'm happy to accommodate you. Conflict resolution, if you have any kind of unresolved conflict in this class, of course, consult with me. I will try to resolve it however I can. If it's not a solution that you find reasonable, then feel free to contact our department chairperson, Molly Fassler, and if still not resolved, feel free to go to the dean, but I'm sure we will be able to resolve whatever issues we're having. Technical requirements, if you have any questions, you can go to this website to see the hardware and software requirements for an online class. And then this is pretty important, just that I am more than happy to answer all of your questions about the class material, about statistics, about how to use SPSS, accessibility issues. However, if you're having a technical problem, for some reason you can't access Canvas, or you can't, are having some problem with your online textbook, I can't fix your technical problems. And all of these places, so your textbook has an online help phone number, Canvas has technical support, and SPSS has technical support. So I would ask that you contact those helplines for technical support and contact me for any kind of support you need in this class in terms of statistics, running things in SPSS, and of course, any kind of accessibility issues. And if you're having an ongoing problem, again, let me know that something is going on, just so we can kind of work out, and I'm aware of what's happening, but I'll direct you to technical support again for the solution to your technical issues. Be sure to note the deadline to drop your classes without a W and your withdrawal deadline, which is all posted online for your school, and it's your responsibility to drop if you don't wish to take the class any longer. You'll see our tentative class schedule. I always say subject to change, just in case anything happens. With an online class, it's less likely to change, but nonetheless, if so, I will let you know through Canvas and through email. And we just have this as every week, we're going to cover a particular topic. So week 1 is welcome, getting familiar with the class, getting familiar with Canvas in case you aren't used to using it, and renting and downloading SPSS, doing that process, working out any technical issues you might have with your computer, with it, and being sure everything's working, and you're going to learn how to take a screenshot. So this is our week to get all of our technical issues figured out and worked out. Week 2, we're going to start with Chapter 1 on your textbook, Intro to SPSS. Week 3, we're going to learn basic operations in SPSS, and you can just see as we go down here. Week 4 is finding sums in SPSS. Week 5 is frequency distributions, then describing distributions. These are like means and standard deviations. For Chapter 6, we'll do compute statements in SPSS, creating z-scores. You might remember that term z-score, and if not, don't worry, I'll explain it to you again. By the time we get to Chapter 7, we're going to be starting on inferential statistics. We break Chapter 7 up into 3 separate weeks. So we do one sample t-test, paired sample t-test, and independent sample t-test on 3 separate weeks. And then ANOVA, correlation, regression, you'll have 2 weeks to complete your final project and then take your final exam sometime between Wednesday and Friday of the last week. And so that's the way that this will work. Most importantly, particularly in an online class, is communication. If you're struggling or having any issues, please contact me. I'm really here and happy to help you, even though we're not in person. I am here as a teacher because I want to help you learn. So please be sure to contact me if you're confused, and I will respond and get back to you and try to help you as best I can. And with that being said, I think that's the end of the syllabus. We're going to have a little syllabus quiz, and the last question that you're going to answer is to tell me your favorite ice cream flavor. Please remember to watch all my videos from beginning to end. It will help you immensely as we go through this class. So again, when we get to the syllabus quiz and I ask you for that answer to the question in my video, you're going to give me your favorite ice cream flavor. Thank you very much, everybody. Looking forward to a great semester.